Today we're diving into something every smart beer wants to know. Which cheap car actually beats the expensive brands? If you want reliability, low fuel consumption, low maintenance, and great resale value, stay tuned because the winner might surprise you. With fuel prices rising, parts becoming more expensive, and insurance costs going up, choosing the right car is more important than ever. A true money-saving car is not just cheap to buy, it must also be fuel-efficient, affordable to maintain, cheap to ensure, reliable long-term, easy to find spare parts. Today, we're breaking down the top models that deliver all of this without breaking your budget. 1. Toyota Corolla. Best overall saver. The Toyota Corolla has been the world's best-selling car for decades, and for good reason. Fuel efficiency, extremely good maintenance, low and easy reliability, known to last over 300,000 kilometers. Resale value, one of the highest. This is the car that consistently beats more expensive brands in long-term value. 2. Honda Civic. Best for low fuel use. If you want a car that sips fuel like a scooter, the Civic is your friend. Very high fuel economy, strong engine with low repair rate, smooth driving, and long life. Many car experts rate the Civic as the most cost-efficient compact car in the last 10 years. 3. Hyundai Elantra. Best budget purchase. This is the car that gives you the most features for the lowest price. Modern interior and tech. Affordable to buy new or used. Maintenance parts are cheap. The Elantra is the car that can beat luxury brands in fuel saving, comfort, and cost per year. So, which car actually beats the expensive brands overall? The Toyota Corolla takes the #1 spot. Why? Because expensive brands may offer style and status, but the Corolla delivers lower fuel costs, lower repair cost, higher reliability, higher resale value. You save thousands over the lifetime of the car. So there you have it, the top money-saving cars that outperform the expensive brands. If you're looking for a car that protects your wallet long-term, these models should be at the top of your list. If you enjoyed this breakdown, make sure to like, subscribe, and drop a comment telling me which car you think saves the most money. Thanks for watching and drive smart.